Okay, today we have a true unboxing here. I just received the ground combat Tanto from Buck. I've been waiting for this for a little while to get here. And in true form, it doesn't want to come out of the box. Here we go. There she is. Okay. That is a true thing of beauty. That is the Buck USA ground combat Tanto. Got it in the desert tan. Beautiful, beautiful machined scales. First impression in the hand, damn. Very, very nice. Really nice weight. First thing I notice is this has a great weight. This is like, it feels like a SOG from 5 years ago. Good weight. Now, out of the box, edge looks kind of nice. Holy shit. I mean, dang. That shaves out of the box. That's a first for me. From any US knife, I always have to put an edge on it first. But this thing is just a beast. It feels great. The sheath was the other reason I wanted to pick this up. Excellent, excellent sheath. Many, many lashing options. Like they say in most of the information, we do have extra Velcro lashing. If you want to move this up on the belt, you can undo these and take this third one to move it up, or take it right off. It is ambidextrous completely. It also has tensioning screws if you want a little tighter or a little looser. MOLLE compatibility on the back. Giant belt loop that'll hit any duty belt. And again, when you get higher onto the belt, if you go to this third step, you've also got a lashing attachment here. That is awesome. So right now, it's actually a beautiful thing. To be honest, Tanto blades, this is the only one I own. I've had them in the past, and I've gotten rid of them. I find them difficult to sharpen, so I stay away from them. But this one just seemed to work for me. The thickness of this blade, right up to the tip, is incredible. That is going to be a supremely sturdy duty knife. And again, handles are very, very well made. And the rough machining that they left on here was a great idea, because that does lock into the hand, even with gloves on. Nice full tank construction. Very nice pommel. It's a nice backhand if you need to. Wow. So let's see. I already showed you that it shaves, but in case that didn't come across, right out of the box. That is the Buck that I am used to, the Buck USA. Wow. Okay, so there you have it. A very quick unboxing of the new Buck Ground Combat in the Tanto blade variant. Thanks for watching. Get yourself one. This is a fantastic piece of kit. It's a great tool. It will serve you for years. And when it comes in the black variant, I will be picking that up again because that thing looks beautiful. Okay, so there you have it. I will do another video on this out in the field and show you what it can do and maybe can't do. But I look forward to that. Okay, have a great day. Like it, share it, hit the bell, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what these are like, what you want to see, and I will get it. Thanks.